Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.1 question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Right? This is a rectangular park. Here you see. Let us take here. This is rectangular park. Suppose rectangular park. Right? Here the length is given. The length of the rectangular park is 175 meter. 175 meter, and the breadth is 125 meter. 125 meter. Right. First of all, we have to find the perimeter of the rectangular park. Therefore, we are finding perimeter perimeter of the perimeter of the rectangular park. Rectangular perimeter of the rectangular perimeter of the rectangular park. Suppose we know that perimeter of the rectangular park is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. First of all, we have to find the perimeter of the rectangular park. That is the length. The formula for perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Therefore, we are getting 2 into what is the length is 175 meter. 175 plus what is the breadth, that is 125. 125, right? That means we are getting this much meter. Therefore, 2 into, we'll add 175 175 with 125. 1 2 5. If we add this, then we are getting 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, here it is 0. 7 plus 1 8, plus 2 10, carry 1, here it is 0. 1 2 2 300, that is comes to be 300 meter. 300, 2 into 300 meter, and that is equal to 3 to just 6, that is 600 meter. Now, what is the question? Question is, what is the cost of fencing of a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter? Right. Therefore, you can write, therefore, cost of cost of fencing cost of fencing cost of fencing of the rectangular park of cost of fencing of 1 meter. Cost of fencing of 1 meter is rupees 12. Is rupees 12. Right? Therefore, we can say that cost of fencing of 600 meter 600 meter is 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 rupees 12 into 600, that is equal to rupees 6 12 72, 0 0. That means 7200, right? Once again we are repeating here. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. That means you have to find first the perimeter of the rectangular park. And we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. That is 2, length is 175 and breadth is 125, right? That is 2 into 300, it comes to be 600 meter. And here it is given that the cost of fencing of 1 meter is rupees 12. Therefore, the cost of fencing of 6 meter is rupees 12 into 600, that is rupees 7200. This is the solution of question number 14.